Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your YouTube channel. First, understand that you have two main options: hiding your channel temporarily or permanently deleting it. To begin, sign into YouTube Studio with the Google account linked to your channel. Once logged in, locate and click on the Settings gear icon found in the left-hand navigation menu. This is your starting point for managing channel preferences. From the Settings menu, select Channel on the left side. Then, click on the Advanced Settings tab to reveal more detailed options for your channel. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Remove YouTube Content. This crucial step will lead you to the page where you can choose to either hide or permanently delete your channel's content. Be careful with your selection here. Upon clicking Remove YouTube Content, you will be asked to re-enter your Google account password to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure only you can make such a significant change. Next, you will see two options. Select I want to permanently delete my content. Carefully review the information, checking the boxes that confirm you understand what content, including videos and comments, will be removed forever. Finally, click the Delete My Content button to complete the process. Please be aware that this action is irreversible. Once confirmed, your channel and all associated data will be permanently gone. It might take a few days for your content to be completely removed from YouTube's systems, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't disappear instantly. Your channel will no longer be visible to others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.